Hi, I'm not in school today because we sort of left, completely. Bye-bye classrooms, hello Portugal. We're worldschooling right now, which basically means we learn from actual world, and it's not just from worksheets that make your brain melt. We came to Arganil, central Portugal, because school didn't really get me and my brother.
Your legs don't hurt.
They do! Oh God.
Sitting still and being quiet, not exactly our superpowers. Instead, we climb things, explore rivers, and ask millions of questions about newts, frogs, and crayfish, why it's so hot here, and why grown-ups drink so much coffee. So, welcome to our new life where learning looks like building things, waterfalls, local markets, and figuring out Portuguese words. They're tricky. It's not perfect, but it's way better than staring at a whiteboard all day.
Our trip was filled with drama and chaos from practically the beginning. Unfortunately, we had a flat tyre in our hire car. However, the local RAC were here to sort us out.
Watch out, guys. Come back.
And the locals were very happy to help. Well, that's enough drama for today. We arrived to find well-equipped housing missing even the basics. No toaster, no microwave, nothing to drain pasta. We didn't even have sheets for the kids' beds. We had to go to 3 different supermarkets looking for them. There were no blinds, no curtains, and there were leaks everywhere. This is where the actual Worldschooling hub was. Now, I'm not going to lie, there were quite a few hiccups. And the facilitators quit halfway through, leaving no explanation to the children as to why they weren't there. They were quickly replaced by someone who didn't speak very good English, and she also had a dog that tried to attack one of the adults. It might be busy here because this was filmed when they had their monthly Thai pool parties, but it wasn't normally like this. The Thai food was awful, so we only had that once. The programme itself was shoddy, it was really disorganised. Pool parties aside, let's go to the learning part of this hub, which is the reason why we booked it. What is it? What's
Made from wood.
what are the wheels for? You're making a car? Cool.
Today we ate salad for lunch, and we do water balloons, and then we filled a ginormous water balloon up, and we had to throw it to each other and catch it. And then also in the afternoon, once you've done, you're allowed to come into the lounge and get some free cake.
Did you make anything?
Yeah, I made a snail house.
Yeah.
And I collected 38 snails and 1 slug.
Wow, that's good going. And when you said you had lunch, what did you have for lunch?
Salad.
Salad? What? You don't eat salad? Salad from where?
The farm.
Really? What sort of salad? What did you pick?
Cucumber.
Yeah.
Green peas.
Yeah.
Beetroot. Radish. Lettuce. And cabbage.
Let's go to the CôJA market, where you could buy literally anything you wanted. At the CôJA market, we bought some fresh fruits and vegetables. We also had these amazing kind of broad bean type things, which we'd never had before at a local market. We also had some lush Israeli wraps made by this Israeli couple. Some of the food at the CôJA market was the best. As our apartment didn't have a pool, we decided to go for a day out at the local Sepos pool, which was about 20 minutes from the village of Valbona, which is where we were staying. This publicly owned pool only cost €2 per person for the whole day, so it was excellent value. And it also had some awesome views. We also went to a market in Benefita. I'm not sure if I've said that right. This is well worth visiting. This has got an outdoor natural river, and it's also got an amazing learning hub called Fulla Verde. If you're looking for something different for your children, then you absolutely have to visit this place. It was one of the instructor's birthdays, and the kids wanted to do something special for him.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay.
I think I've done good mixing.
One of the mums had kindly organised a communal lunch. She made pizza dough for everyone and all the kids could make their own pizzas. A lot of the community events that we had were arranged by ourselves. There was a parents' lounge available, but unfortunately it was just unusable because it was too hot after about 1 p.m.
I am Anton.
And what's Anton?
Anton is a app where you can learn all. It's like going to school but on a computer. You can choose your subjects. Look, all the subjects.
Oh.
Down here.
And what's your favourite subject on Anton?
Probably English.
In addition to the app, we also had an online tutor.
Count them all.
Quicker. A big lot of squares there.
Let's move on to the not so great part of our trip, the accommodation. We were offered community housing, but we didn't realise the standard would be what it was. There were no blinds, there were no curtains, there was nothing covering the windows from the sun. It was unbearably hot. There was no air conditioning, there were no fans, and there was a dog outside barking all night. Unfortunately, the host didn't seem to care, and eventually we made our own temporary shades.
I just fixed the temporary shades for now until the order arrive, and just to make sure the sofa will not be destroyed because of the fade of the sun and the fabric and everything. So I fixed everything I can.
Unfortunately, she didn't care about our comfort. She just wanted to make sure that her sofa was not destroyed with the sun. So she left cardboard. We'd heard through the grapevine that the host used to take deposits off people for no reason. So we deliberately filmed this video the morning that we left, showing that we cleaned up and that there was nothing damaged. We put the towels in the washing machine as well, but she still claimed that there were missing spoons. We got our friends to replace them, and then she came up with another issue. She said that one of the lights was broken in the next door apartment. She tried to charge us for that. That wasn't even our apartment. At the very end, she said that there were fingerprints on the walls and she couldn't return the deposit unless I paid for a full repaint. Shall we move on to something a little bit more positive? The community. This has to be the best part of Worldschooling. And since we've come home, we've been looking for this kind of community. There was so much learning on this trip. I learned I had a weak pelvic floor. Pandora realised that 9 boys aren't really so scary. And Hunter learned die means stop in Hebrew. We also taught our new Israeli family how to play the card game Donkey. We also explained that we have something called Father's Day, which is not something they have in Israel. We had a big meal on the Friday and we blessed the food and the wine. We're British, of course we're going to get on board with that one. The children spent many nights together and definitely pushed themselves out of their comfort zone.
I just want a dream when you and I had to say goodbye. But I don't know what it all means. But since I survived our new life, wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody promised tomorrow, so I run down that side of the last line, back to the last line. If the world looks ending, I will be next to you. Ooh.
Amazing job! Wow.
And when our trip was over, the learning continued.
You suddenly do this, then the sun will out. And if you suddenly do this, the whole cockpit will illuminate. It's better at night. And then if you test the fire switch, then you get...
That's so cool, isn't it?
How many have you ever counted how many buttons?
No, I don't want to. It says...
Wow, look, they're even on the ceiling. That's awesome.
Well, everyone
Is there any passenger left apart from you?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Can you know hello?
How do you read someone's hair?
Yeah, this is something I'm not allowed to touch. It's only for the engineers, you know? And if you do the PAs, like I said about the delays and all the stuff, you check this, you push this button, say, hello, this is your captain speaking.
Oh my god.
And the whole cabin can hear you, you know?
Yeah.
So you need to be very careful.
As of November 2025, I can confirm that Botanica Farm is no longer running as a Worldschooling hub, and they have in fact put the farm up for sale. If you want to see our next Worldschooling trip, which takes us to Goa in India, don't forget to hit subscribe. This is not one to be missed.
Wait.